You know how to put terms and conditions into a footer, but if instead you want to have your buyers consent to those terms and conditions at the time of purchase, you'll come over to Sales and Offers, click on the particular offer, and edit checkout. And here you have a few options, or a couple options actually. You can of course have it here, privacy policy, terms, etc. Or you can come over to additional settings and have a service agreement. And in the service agreement, you can choose required. So when you click things over here, you have to save it for it to show up. So we'll click required, click save. And you can see now there's a thing that says, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of this page. And it'll be down here in the footer. So that's one way to do it. Another way is to choose custom service agreement, save. And you can see it pops up over here. And you just put whatever your terms and conditions are right here. Save that. And you can see it makes it so you can scroll down and over. Let's just say it keeps going. It's really long, of course. There we go. You can see how it scrolls down, scrolls over, however you want to do it. And they have to check this box in order to buy. So if I go ahead and fill out my payment information and I try to check out without checking this box, it's going to show an error. So they must click the box, I've read and agreed to the terms before purchasing.